काँग्रेसींतल्यान भाजपांत आयिल्ल्या आमदारांच्या अपात्रता याचिकेचेर शुक्रारा सभापती मुखार सुनावणी जाली। याचिकादारांच्या वतीन वरिष्ठ आदवोगाद संदेश पडियार आनी वकील प्रयेश शिरोडकार आशिल्ले। याचिकादाराची बाजू शांतपणान आयकून घेतली। फुडली सुनावणी सोमारा जातली अशें वरिष्ठ आदवोगाद संदेश पडियार हांणी सांगले। हे विशीं सभापती तवडकर हांणी उलोवप केलें।
Disqualification petition yesterday the arguments continue and they were spilled over to today, but today also we have not been able to complete. So today we argued. Now for the further part of the arguments we will be taking on Monday, and Monday I think we should be able to finish, and thereafter the respondents will start. Basically we have pointed out various Supreme Court judgments on the point. Supreme Court starting from the earliest authorities of Ravi Naik's case, Kyoto Holohan's case, then the cases of Jagdeep Singh and all, to say that a political party, there cannot be a merger of a small unit of one political party. If they are saying it's a merger, then the merger should be of the main political party, that is the Congress here with the BJP. So therefore these people have not, they are only a small group of Goa of 8 people out of 11. They say that they have legislature party as merged. So this doesn't fit in within the law and they are liable to be disqualified. This is the argument. In these lines we are arguing. We have given various judgments. So ultimately the speaker is going to, or the respondents have not yet started their arguments. So after our arguments they will argue, and then there will be a rejoinder, small rejoinder, and then it will be left to the speaker to decide.
So the main result will be on Monday?
Main result will not be on Monday, because what will happen is that I will finish on Monday after half an hour. The respondents will start arguments. There are many lawyers. That's not a one lawyer. They have got about 4 lawyers to argue. So according to me, Monday, Tuesday will be consumed by them. So I don't expect that hearing will get over on Monday. It may spill over to let us assume about 2-3 days more.
कोर्टाची ऑर्डर असा की ते बेगीन सोपोवपाची.
Yes. So the speaker will decide, because I think the time period will end in November.
Yeah.
So he has got enough time now, and he is taking up matters on day-to-day basis. Yesterday we heard us, today we were hearing, and Monday also the hearing has been fixed. So it's being taken up on daily basis. So, and speaker is also giving us good time in the sense he is sitting and was hearing very patiently, and because that we are happy that we are being heard, and very patiently we are being heard.
Right. किती आयज किती झाले
पेटिशनर आसा ताजे आर्ग्युमेंट चालू आसा परत म्हणजे चालू आसा
आणि त्यांचे आर्ग्युमेंट त्यांच्यानी बरे भशेन आयकला म्हणले तुम्ही त्याचे फायनल किती रिझल्ट आसतले
ते बेस्ड ऑन जे आसा न्ही त्यांनी रिटन स्टेटमेंट दिले आसा आनी आर्ग्युमेंट दिले आसा त्या नंतर आमी ताजे कन्क्लुजन जे आसा न्ही ते विदिन 20 days
सो आता गव्हर्नमेंट कोर्टाने नोव्हेंबर पासून टाइम दिला तुम्हाला.
म्हणून आम्ही त्या सुप्रीम कोर्टाने डायरेक्शन नुसार की काल चालू आशिल्लें आज चालू आसा परत मंडे चालू आसा.
सो डे टू डेट अपडेट आसा तुमचे?